Lubbock, Texas. So we're almost to Lubbock. I'm tired. Kids are hungry.
Where's Texas Tech?
Texas Tech is in Lubbock, baby. We're about an hour away, okay? Have y'all seen the movie Are We There Yet? That's what I experienced. You're gonna see Risay, okay? That's what we experienced. Are we there yet? Where's Texas Tech? Where's Lubbock? I wanna go to TCU. I don't wanna go to no damn TCU. They beat us. Shit.
White and brown.
Yeah, we know. What color is the chair? It's black. It's black. And the chair is
This
black.
is the way Keenan plays with
What
his
color is
kids.
the house?
A guy told me.
What guy?
A guy.
What are you gonna do?
I want my brother to leave me alone.
Keenan, I hate that shit.
You got into the teenager stage, that's right.
I hate my life. I don't feel like I'm away phone and talk to my friends. Can you leave me alone?
Come spend time with your family.
Mom, please help
Go
me.
spend time with your family like he said. She ain't here all by herself. She dragged her out of the bed.
Karen, Taylor, come help me pull
Go
Kennedy.
in there and hang with your family.
Come help me pull Kennedy.
Go in there and hang out.
I'm about to.
Good morning, good morning. We are all ready. About to head to, well, we gotta run to the store because I forgot Cameron's socks. So we're about to go get some socks. And then we are about to head to the gym to watch Keenan and Texas Tech play Kansas. Yeah, gonna watch them play Kansas. So tune in. We'll be getting a little bit of footage of that. Y'all, this is how my kids act at a hotel.
Where are my friends?
Your friends?
Yeah,
Who are your friends?
right there.
Oh, Kennedy and Jaden?
Yeah. Where's my TV?
Yeah, I ordered me a new camera and it's supposed to be here next week, so I'm hoping the clarity and everything of my videos improves drastically. Jordan?
Somebody needs to tie my shoes on.
Okay, we'll tie them.
Hey, come here.
Caleb. Good Lord.
Mama, I want to tie my shoes.
Okay, we'll tie your shoes when we make it to the car. Well, set them down right there and tie a shoestring for me, please. Let Jaden tie your shoestring. Make sure you tell her thank you.
Thank you.
Cam, what are you doing? Cam, what are you doing? Oh, good Lord. Morning, Jordan.
Let's
11:29. It's not morning.
Let me
That is morning.
I know. But good day.
We're present too.
You're cute. Now I got a swivel Jaden. You're cute, but too.
All right, let's go.
Oh, I am in it. Okay.
Cameron's dragging me along. And the self-professed selfie queen. And why is the tongue out? What is up with that?
I have no clue. You can just leave that, baby.
Yeah, I made a huge mistake.
Mama, I want to rode on the Chuck E. Cheese.
Okay. I got a hotel room that was directly next to Chuck E. Cheese. And I got it because I thought, oh, cool, you know, while we're there, I'll just take my kids. Caleb's been asking to go to Chuck E. Cheese for like 2 weeks or more. So I was like, I'll get that hotel room, you know, a hotel right next to Chuck E. Cheese. But what I didn't consider is that he gonna act a daggum fool until we finally go. So he's literally driving me up a daggum wall. You're here? Over Chuck E. Cheese. I said I'm going to take you after Keenan's game. We're going to go to Chuck E. Cheese. I'm going to end up hurting this boy over Chuck E. Cheese, y'all. Are you serious? They don't.
Your
windy. Caleb, don't run. Oh my God. Jaden, you got to think about he's trying to do what you're doing. A car could have been coming. What? Yeah. Come on, get in. It's cold.
Look, it's right there about Keaton's play over there.
I know. Hop in and get in your seat. Come on, Mama. Ooh, it's windy. Hop in. Hop in. It's chilly. Keenan, like, I'm leaving Rousseau. We'll see ya. He really is. Look how he walking, just stiff from yesterday. Look at his foot. You need to get a massage. Now be ready for that snow. So sick of that. Alright, it's Sunday morning. Tech lost both games. And we are on our way back home. Stopping getting some snacks. Call me again. As you saw from her face as well as mine, we are sick of kids. And we got 5 hours to ride with these kids. I think next road trip, if we decide to go to Oklahoma, kids not coming.
Okay, I don't want to be with y'all no more.
Home, sweet home. So we're home. Cam, say we're home. Caleb, say we're home.
$2 million in cash. How about I throw in a Ferrari?
Kennedy,
I'm serious.
are you happy to be home?
Man, if you want. I don't have.
You ready to go to school tomorrow?
Is there anyone else you know who might have the money? Well, ain't nobody got no money.
Now it's time to straighten up a little bit.
They bought the big
Cam is playing with toys.
I heard they see something.
Well, that was ordered. Oh, Cameron, don't do that. That's not nice. No, Cam. Go pick him up. Go help Caleb pick him up. Clean up. That's not nice. Great job. Oh, good job. You're helping Caleb clean up? High five. Oh, you're disgusting. You are disgusting. Did you say excuse me? Then you should say excuse me. Say excuse me. Cameron, what are you doing?
Cameron is wiggling.
You got the wiggles?
Cameron don't have the wiggles.
You're being a silly willy. I don't know, baby.
Look at me.
Oh, yes, they are.
Look at me. Look at me.
I'm looking at you.
Look at me.
I know. Oh, you kick your leg up?
Yeah.
What else can you do?
The doggy. The hat.
Oh, you're going to spell the words?
Yeah.
And Caleb, you're getting milk wasted? You like milk?
Who knows, maybe even turn it into an advantage.
Cameron, why you put them in your mouth, Mama? Don't put it in your mouth. Spell the words. Caleb, I see you spell cow. And Cameron, you spelled, what word did you spell, Cam?
Stop right now. You feel like a job.
Oh, okay. I'll find the letter O from the box.
You're so such a good big brother. You're such a great big brother.
Yeah! I'm looking for it. Yeah!
I see it.
Oh, yeah. Buddy, get it.
You did it. I see.
Get it, Bonnie. Get it, Bonnie.
Good job, Z. You said this was high.
Get it, Bonnie.
She's funny.
Yeah.
Maybe I can do that.
You.
Get it, Bonnie.
That's why we should have you in the first place.
Get it, Bonnie, too.
Caleb,
Get it.
If I
you found it?
Yeah, I found it.
Great job. Let's see Cam put it together.
I did. I spelled.
Oh, now you spell bug?
Feel that?
I'm here.
And Cameron is spelling. What are you spelling, Cam?
Foxy. Cameron spelling fox.
Great job. You almost got it. You can do it. Good job, Cameron.
I spelled
You're such a
bug.
smart girl.
I spelled bug and cat.
Let me.
Cake.
Good job.
Cake. Bug.
Yep. Oh, you're going to spell cake now?
Just he has a deeply scheduled with minds.
You'll have to tell me.
Cameron's gonna
I'm
spell
not sure
cake.
anymore, Andrew. It has to be you. You can do this.
Keep putting the words together. Great job.
Now I want to spell dog.
But you already spelled dog.
Well, I need more time. Right, so see if you can trap it, so I can get the rest and you can get the money. $100 kilos and the money for the box. They got phone
And we're watching 24 Legacy. So,
No, I wasn't even serious. Swear.
that's the end of today's vlog, or this week's vlog. So,
An increase in pump 30.
till next time, y'all. Be blessed.